My name is Adyan. Today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper something I don't know the name, but it's very fun. So let's start. So we will need a square paper, but this will be 15 centimeter. This will also be 15 centimeter. This will be 15 centimeter, and this will also be 15 centimeter. Then cut it. Then your paper is ready. So let's start. Take this part, this corner part till this corner part, and this corner part till this corner part. You'll get a but take this corner part till this, then open, then this corner part and this open. Then you will get a cross mark. Very properly it should happen. So we did it. Now open. And now put this side till this side.
बेचता नहीं है, लोग लगाता है, कोई भी देख सकता है। आप भी जिसका नंबर है ना, कोई भी देख सकता है।
So we did it. A cross mark came. Now make a plus mark.
ऐसे तो वीडियो बनाते हो चेंज करके। हाँ ज़्यादा सब नहीं लगता है। और साड़ी पहनने में कौन सा देर लगता है? आओ भी क्या नीचे में कोटा कैसे होता है, उससे फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता। हम साया वैसे भी साया पे नहीं पहने हुए थे, साड़ी स्कर्ट पहने हुए थे ना, उसी ऊपर साड़ी लपेट ली थी, लेकिन ऊपर का ही चाहिए था ना वीडियो, ब्लाउज पहने थे।
So plus mark came. Now again do the plus mark like this. Now again do the plus mark like this. See, again I'm showing you. This. Again like this, then like this. So now take this part till this part. So I did it. This paper I took here. Now turn it, then take this here. So we did it. Now open this, then fold this. Do the same thing how you did with this. I'll do it. we did it. Now open it. We have did it both the sides now. Now you are having every side some triangle type of thing. This line can you see, and this line can you see. Take this part
बहुत ज़्यादा फीका हो गया
here and then open it. Then you will get some mark. Do it at every side. You will get a mark. I'll do it and then I'll show you. So we have did it. Mark came here, 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 and here. Did it? Now take this. See, turn it back, and can you see these lines? Try to join it. It will become like this. Then again turn it, and then you have to wait a minute. You have to do same like that only, or you can do like this. Take this, then, but you have to be careful. Hold this part at your table and or floor, and then do like this. I am putting my see this. Okay. Now put this up and put it down, and then join it together at the back side. Then fold it here. Okay. And then put this down. See this. This I did. Do it all in all the sides. I'll do it and then I'll show you. So we did it, and then put your both the finger here and both the finger here, and then pull it. It became like a box. It became like a box. Nothing happened. Now on every side there'll be a line in the center. Together, hold it like this. Then try to keep it in the center down. And then this gone, and then put this and join these all together. See, it will join together when you put it down. So it's became just ready only. So like this. Now you can open. Now you can open. Then open like this. And then there's one magical thing. This. So I'll show you how I did that thing. I did it like this. is like this something. See, first have to play it like this. Hold this thumb and put this. Then tap it. Tap from the both the side. Tap it. Just tap it. And then tap it very fastly. Then that will happen. It will come like this. So this thing has got ready. So friends, if you like this video, then please subscribe it and give a like. Then till that time, thank you.